What's going on, team? How you guys doing? Coming here just to give you an update on what you've probably missed, right? You probably missed this trade of SPY, ticker symbol SPY for the S&P 500. And this one in particular, if you went to the library, I post this every weekend or the first trading day of the week, just to talk about a trading idea that I'm looking into. And ladies and gentlemen, this one delivered, right? I Hopefully you guys get a chance to actually click on this video, right? This is our Discord group, and this is what's a swing trade, but I will show you the progress of this swing trade, right? You have to take a look in order for you to truly see what we were capturing here. So here's the chart here. This is SPY, ticker symbol SPY for the S&P 500. And this is basically what a recap was outlined. So what I mentioned on SPY was that we were trading in this range. The range, this trend line and range being from here all the way there, right? So this was ideally the direction of the move and the trend line. So on the video, I talk about how the downtrend was in effect for SPY, and I was interested in seeing what the Fibonacci retracement would be from the high all the way to this low here. And look what happened, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys know, we like to buy above the 38.2 Fibonacci. And for this trade in particular, we zoom into the 1 hour. And look, on this particular day, on Wednesday, it was trading above the 38.2 Fibonacci, which is $738 and some change. So we bought, right? At least I bought. I bought right here 739, and I was able to sell it today. That was a $5 move for the upside on this particular trade. I think we still have more movement for the upside. My price target still is 749. And this is the video that I posted on our YouTube channel. So if you haven't checked out the YouTube channel, make sure that you do that because every week I post a trade there for us to not only analyze, but just to provide some commentary on. But this is the trade that I posted on the YouTube video, and also I posted that for the community members. Again, I wanted to enter the trade at the 38.2 Fibonacci, which is 0.382, as you guys are seeing here, like 0.382, equivalent to 38.2% retracement for the upside. And of course, I was interested in taking profits either at the 78.6 or the 100% retracement. But I was able to quickly just make profits at 744.25, which what I closed at yesterday. And I think this has more leg room for the upside. I really do think so. So I'm going to be looking for um, potential break for the downside on this. We'll see what happens. And if it goes back down to one of these levels, I will be interested in buying calls all the way to next week. Like today, Friday is going to be the last trading day of the week. I think everything looks like 748 could be potentially realized in a week or so. So I'm going to be holding strong on this particular trade all the way to next week and very, very close to the money because I want to be profitable on this one. So this is an update here for SPY again. This was a beautiful, beautiful swing trade that you could have gotten into. If you didn't get into it, it is okay. There's going to be many trades like this to come. But what we did though for our community members, especially our platinum members, because they definitely pay for this service, right? So we traded SPY several times throughout this week. We started trading it. Where are we? We started trading it on the 20th. Let's see, 20th. Where are you? We started trading on the 18th here. This was like last week. The 20th, we made 20th here, 23% on that trade, 26% on this trade. Close out this one. We closed both of these MU for 21% and also SPY, believe it or not, another 21%. But this was the picture that I took beforehand. Um, and the last one on the technical analysis, this was another SPY trade, say, what would you do here? And I was able to get in this trade. I don't know if anyone did, but I wanted to spark a dialogue here, which people have not actually looked at it yet. And I got into this trading, which was very successful for. So for this week, out of the 6 trades that were actually in or got into, 5 of them were very, very successful. We have 3 SPY, MU, number 4 success. NVIDIA didn't pan out like we wanted to, but nonetheless, we didn't, it wasn't a catastrophic loss. We lost about 50% of that trade, but we did extremely well on these other trades, which that's significantly means nothing in comparison to the other 5 trades that we got into. So let me know what you think. As always, I like to spark dialogue on this particular trade, on any trades that we're in. We're going to be really focusing on a lot of swing trading and day trading. So I urge you to make sure you subscribe, because our #1 priority is to make money for our members, right? Definitely our platinum members. Every Monday we have a live trading session for anyone, right? And then of course Tuesday all the way to Friday, our paid subscribers are the priority. So if you want to be part of that priority list, just let us know. All right, peace and be blessed. This is LYNS Investment Castro signing out.